Grandma.
What is Spanish for what?
Spanish for snowball fight.
What are you talking about, a snowball fight? Who's having one?
Me, not you.
I hope not.
Snowball fight.
Whoa, it's cold. Are you cold? What's the problem? You're sinking? It's deep. It's pretty deep, isn't it?
Yeah. We can sink.
Well, if I look around and you're gone, I guess you'll just sink under. And then I'll just stamp around until I find you.
But Grandma, guess what?
What? I don't think that's going to work. Don't be trying to pop me.
Yes, I will.
Were you getting ready to try to pop poor old Grandma?
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm. I think that's frozen.
Huh?
I think it's frozen. I'm so glad to say.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
But it's, this time, it's back.
Uh-huh.
On itself.
I guess so. That's pretty deep out there, isn't it? Looks wobbly. I don't know about that. I don't want to get on there. Oh, you... I don't want to get on that.
Why?
Because if I fall down, I'm going to get soaked with snow.
But I don't throw a snowball at you if I were you.
You would. Thanks.
But you don't be weak, Grandma.
I know.
So come on.
I don't want to get on that trampoline.
Why?
I just don't.
But
I'm going to go find this shovel.
Grandma, if I sit down,
Yeah? What?
then my clothes will...
Your gloves are going to get all soaked with snow. Cold?
Yeah, let's take a break inside.
What?
Okay?
Okay. Oh no, all your water bottles are going to get frozen again. All your water bottles, they're all out here. Okay, let's go in.
Yeah, let's go in